Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 5 users have encountered, the CE-109737-7 error code. This error occurs when your PS5 fails to recognize a USB storage device. It can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to transfer data or install games. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this error. First, let's check if the USB storage device is properly connected to your PS5. Ensure that the USB cable is securely plugged into both the console and the storage device. If it's already connected, try using a different USB port on your PS5. Sometimes, a faulty port can cause this error. If the issue persists, let's move on to the next step. Power off your PS5 completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the error. If the error still persists, it's time to update your PS5 system software. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and go to the Settings menu. From there, select System, then System Software, and finally, System Software Update and Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest software update. This update may include bug fixes that can resolve the CE-109737-7 error. If none of these steps have worked so far, it's time to consider formatting your USB storage device. Keep in mind that formatting will erase all data on the device, so make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. To format the USB storage device, go to the Settings menu on your PS5. Select Storage, then USB Extended Storage. Choose the USB storage device that is causing the error and select Format as Extended Storage. Follow the prompts to complete the formatting process. After formatting, reconnect the USB storage device to your PS5 and check if the error has been resolved. If the issue still persists, it's recommended to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. They have a team of experts who can provide personalized solutions to your specific problem. I hope this video has helped you fix the CE-109737-7 error code on your PS5. Remember to follow the steps carefully and be patient. Technical issues can be frustrating, but with the right troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time.